Prior to installing the PVC freeze trim, it's important to keep in mind the need to divert water away at every opportunity. Installing a head flashing over the clear window surround will divert water to the outside. It's also best practice to apply a bead of sealant to the window head prior to installing the flashing. The ends of the flashing are turned down over the sides of the window, and then the head is sealed with flashing tape.
So what we're going to do is we're going to demonstrate 3 different types of joinery. This will be the first one, which is just a field. It's an overlay joint where you just cut it and you butt one piece on top of the other. So what we do is I put either my fascia or my freeze in, and I want to favor the front of the house so that the overlap covers the front. This is the simplest way to do it.
Cortex screws fasten, as well as pre-drill a hole to receive a color-matched plug. This eliminates the need for filling and finishing. When assembling an outside corner by butting 2 pieces of trim, expose the factory true edge to the outside. True edge technology resists dirt, makes boards easier to clean, and your work will look great from day one. When constructing a mitered outside corner, be aware of the ambient temperature. For cold weather joints, allow some room. However, in warm weather, joints can be cut tight to the wall intersection. Test fitting a corner will help in getting that spacing correct. Fasten the PVC using trim nails, screws, or the Cortex system, combination of both. Check the clear installation instructions for the proper fastening guidelines. The third method shown is an option using a plastic biscuit joint to align the outside miter while providing expansion and contraction room. Apply clear PVC adhesive to one side of the joint, and that will bond the outside corner together. There are a number of compatible aftermarket biscuits available for PVC trim. For this installation, the installer is using the Cortex screw and plug system. Notice the special driver that sets the screw to the correct depth. After setting all of the screws, the installer comes back and installs the plugs using a soft face mallet. You can also use a scrap of PVC, place it over the plug, use your hammer and tap it flush with the surface for a completely finished appearance.